Hoverboards do not really hover. They're more like Aladdin's carpet on the streets. These fun and futuristic self-balancing scooters made their appearance back in 2013, and since then, they have increased their performances and popularity to a great extent. They are quite useful personal transportation for commuting or traveling short distances. But when you would tend to buy one, seeing different features and price ranges will surely put you in a dilemma. So here we have the top 5 best hoverboards with their necessary features to help you out. Inspired by Formula Racing supercars, Gyroor designed their GF1 hoverboard to enhance your style along with speed. With its unique shape, fast speed, and sturdy structure, GF1 hoverboard is the thing you must have. The hoverboard features a 700-watt motor that lets you feel the thrill with a maximum speed of 9.95 miles per hour. So you will be traveling a lot faster with it. Equipped with a larger battery capacity, it allows you to travel up to 9.5 miles on a single charge and enjoy hassle-free long trips. Gyroor designed the hoverboard with a durable aluminum frame that not only makes the lightweight but also ensures easy rides on grass, dirt, gravel, and wet surfaces. It has built-in high-quality Bluetooth speakers that produce racing sound to mimic racing cars that give you the actual feel of driving a racing car. With Gyroor app, you can see the speed, battery life, change DIY lights color, set adult or children mode, switch to an anti-theft alarm, adjust riding speed, and troubleshooting. Along with the hoverboard, an IP54 water rating is provided to make the hoverboard water resistant. A very lightweight and stylish hoverboard to make your traveling easier and fun. Hover One brought the Chrome Hoverboard electric scooter at a very reasonable price. The hoverboard has 6.5-inch tires with dual 300-watt motors to achieve a maximum speed of 6.21 miles per hour. Once you fully charge the hoverboard, you can travel up to 6.07 miles, which is very decent enough. You'll get a built-in Bluetooth speaker and ultra-bright LED headlights that also indicates your battery life. So you'll be able to recharge your hoverboard before it loses all its energy. It comes with an IPX4 water-resistant rating so that you can ride with comfort in terms of rains or wet surfaces. The Chrome Hoverboard from Hover One is certified as eco-friendly and also comes at a very affordable price. The ninebot S Plus from Segway is a smart self-balancing electric transporter equipped with artificial intelligence. Its smart features and elegant looks make it expensive price range worth it. The S Plus has 11-inch air-filled tires that are powered by an 800-watt motor that gives you a 12 miles per hour of maximum speed in a very short period of time. Powered with a 329 watt-hour lithium-ion battery, the hoverboard can take you up to 22 miles, which means it would be enough for traveling short distances and coming back home with ease. It has a lightweight magnesium alloy base that provides a smooth and comfortable ride. A multifunctional remote along with most advanced technologies such as physical control, one-button calling, auto-following is provided with the hoverboard. It can carry your stuff. With its AI, it can follow you independently. It also has a smart safe lighting system with direction indicators and smart battery management that reminds you of the battery life via cell phone. An IP54 high-level water rating is provided to make the hoverboard splash-proof. So ride in style no matter what the weather is. So with all these features and AI technology, it is a pretty good choice in terms of hoverboard. great speed, good battery charging time, and reasonable price, the SwagTron T6 Outlaw offers all the above that you want in a hoverboard. Utilizing its powerful, robust 300-watt dual motor system, it gives you the opportunity to ride at a maximum speed of 10 miles per hour. Equipped with a powerhouse lithium-ion battery, it has an impressive battery range of 12 miles per charge that extends your trip without stopping. The frame of the hoverboard is made with plastic and aluminum built body frames to ensure durability and smoothness. With the SwagTron app, you can play music directly from your phone via Bluetooth connection. You can also use the app to check the battery levels of your hoverboard, check the speed, and even change your riding mode all at the press of a button. The SwagTron T6 Outlaw is a versatile hoverboard that can be used by both experienced riders or beginners, as it has beginner, standard, and advanced riding mode. So overall, it is an excellent hoverboard with all kinds of features. Halo Rover X, arguably the best hoverboard available in the market right now. Amazing build quality, indestructible never flat tires, training modes, smartphone app, the Halo Rover X has it all. Powered with 800-watt dual motors, 8.5-inch tires, you can get a maximum speed of 10 miles per hour. The hoverboard can go up to 7 miles on a single charge, so you can go on long trips without any hassle. The Halo Rover X is built with high-grade aluminum that is designed to conquer the harshest of surfaces. An awesome addition to the hoverboard is the smartphone-compatible app. You can switch to different riding modes, keep track of your battery life, and enjoy music while riding through this app. In addition to all these features, the hoverboard comes with IPX4 water resistance, so you can ride with it no matter what the weather is. In short, the Rover X is an absolute powerhouse that will be useful for you in any case. From commuting in urban areas to short rides on the off-road track, the Halo Hover X will get you all covered. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to this channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.